Hello, welcome to our channel. My name is Wayne and my wife's name is Kathy. This channel is about the things that we use that are in the house that we built ourselves. If you like what you see, if you like the item that we'll be discussing, please click on the link below. Also, please go to the site and buy the item. Again, please click on the link in the description and please buy the item. Thank you very much and please subscribe. Today's talk is about the stainless steel undermount sink that we installed in our kitchen. This sink has a single bowl and is only 23 inches wide. However, it is 18 inches deep towards the back wall and 10 inches deep where the pans and dishes go. It is constructed of real 16 gauge T304 stainless steel that is 1.5 millimeters thick. The sink finish has a satin sheen finish to work with your kitchen decor. This sink really looks good. In addition to the sink, our order came with a basket to catch the food waste, a drain with stopper, and a stainless steel dish grid. That grid supports everything that we put in the sink. This basket reduces the load on our septic system. This sink really works well for us. It holds a lot of dirty dishes as well as large pots and pans. Our house kitchen area is open to our house living and dining areas. This means that it is important to generate as little kitchen noise as possible. The sink utilizes rubber pads and a coating called Stone Guard to reduce noise. Our sink also came with a kitchen towel, mounting hardware, and a cutout template. The price included delivery to our new home. If you like this sink, please click on the link below and buy this sink. Thank you for watching. Again, please click on the link below and buy this sink. Thank you again.
More videos are on the way. Please click on the link in the description. Thank you for watching.